Okay, so the clutch kit has been removed. This is the friction plate, the one on the vehicle. Can't even see the brand on it. No brand, but on the look of it, so produced 5th November 2013. Okay, so this is the pressure plate. So I don't think this is the cause of the vibration, even though it might be, but it hasn't really worn. But there is sign of weakness. The fact that it's a known brand, no name on it, means the quality is questioned. So no name, nothing. So I decided to not to bother putting it back. So this is one that will be going in this LUK. LUK. I see the name here. LUK. So it's a well-known brand, and look at it. LUK GMP. Oh, cool. Maybe this is a German product for GMB page. So you can see LUK is almost everywhere engraved. See it here, and also see it here. Not sure the production used on it. Anyway, so I will find out the price, but hopefully I can afford it. Hopefully. So at least with this now I can be rest assured that I won't have much issue. With the vibration, I won't have to explain this vibration.
Okay, I thought I tell that's why they walk. I thought I 4-5. It's okay. So I got the one low grade. I got the one.
Okay, so this is the LUK part number. I forgot to mention. Yeah. So so that's it.